So guys, I'm just here again, just to say hi, and just this is just gonna be a quick vlog update or something. So the last time I made a vlog and I said I'm gonna try to film tomorrow because I'm gonna be shooting a wedding and everything else and everything, and I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get my camera. And what so happened was that day was so rainy that I did forget about the camera. I don't want to bring it out because the thing is it was heavily raining. I was bringing two bodies because I was shooting photos, and yeah, I got two A9s. I don't want to bring another. Even bringing a small camera is a pain, so I did bring my what's the name, FX3, to film this vlog, that vlog. I didn't vlog, so yeah, sorry for that. I'm gonna just try to do more, but the thing is, lately has been very hectic for me. I've been doing a lot of things. I've been trying to finish one of my assessments here, as you can see. You can't see it, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm just saying hi to you guys, and also I want to thank. I want to thank those who went over to my Bisaya channel. Those Bisaya people, Bisaya. those yeah, those who got to that channel. Don't have a lot of views for that channel, and there's nothing going on. It's like more of my personal thing, more personal than this, because this is more toned down. This is English, and I put a lot of things here. I put them on unlisted, but yeah, if you're gonna go to my playlist, you can see those vlogs that are not posted publicly, but you can still view them. Those are some personal nonsense, cringy vlogs. I put everything in this YouTube channel. So if ever you find that playlist about the vlog, you'll see other posts that you didn't see. Also, to those who subscribe to me, those who I'm asked who fuck, those who have I have okay, those who I have oh, come on. I've asked to follow this channel so that I can have a name or a title for this vlog, bisdakvlagger. So the thing is, I would like to thank you guys for looking into some of my videos here, and if you get notifications, just disregard it if you get annoyed. But anyway, yeah, would like to thank those people who supported me for this vlog, and also those who subscribe. I'm not giving you quality content, but I'll keep on trying. And yeah, I want to thank those people who are there watching on my other channel. I have only around, let me see, how many? I have only around 18 subscribers there. So 18. And I don't know if they're real people or something, but some of them are real. So I have 18 subscribers there, and on that last video I made, nobody watches in that vlog. They're like 2, 4, something. But the last vlog I made, which was also nonsense, the Visayan version of the previous vlog, I had got around 39 views. So I'd like to thank you guys, and yeah, that makes me want to do more. The problem is I'm doing 2 filming every time I do something. Like I do this English filming, and I'm gonna do the Bisaya filming. So one day I might be doing like I might be, how do you call this? I might be putting my effort on one. I love to do it more here on this channel, but yeah, the Bisaya channel is also fun because I also don't care what I put there, and it's Bisaya. Yeah, anyway, I just want to thank you guys for watching, if ever you're watching, and if you just came across this, please do like, and if you want, you can subscribe. I'm not forcing you to, because I'm not giving quality content. I'm just putting up whatever I can think of. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys, and hopefully we get more tomorrow. I'm gonna stress out on my assessment for now. You take care.